ZimDancehall again. Welcome to my video. I want to show someone how to make ZimDancehall beats in 2024 using FL Studio 24.1. Let me show you this FL Studio 24.11. You see, so I want to show someone how to make ZimDancehall beats. So this is my chorus. I was making this beat for this other female artist. She goes by the name Dracula. Shout out to Dracula. I made this beat for her, right? Okay, let me start by playing it. Maybe I should start by, but I'm sure most of you guys know how to make ZimDancehall application, right? As simple as that, and then let's add this ZimDancehall signal. I understand, but let me tell you one thing: ZimDancehall should always sound like ZimDancehall. This is what ZimDancehall people are in love with. So whenever you are making ZimDancehall, please don't leave this vibe, because that's exactly what people are in love with. So yeah, you can do whatever you want to do, but try to maintain the ZimDancehall identity within your beats. If it's ZimDancehall, then we don't need to struggle. You understand? We have to know straight up this is ZimDancehall. Okay, so yeah. So what I used this is a bass from Serum, right? It's called Chang Bass Chop, right? So this is how Chang Bass Chop sounds like. From Arcade. I'm gonna show you how where to find it. This plugin is called Arcade, to those who don't know. It's really beautiful. So I panned this, like I panned it. Like if you listen carefully, you can tell that this sound is moving. Excuse me, this sound is moving from one ear to another, so it's called panning, that process. That's why here you see this, like someone was drawing a river or something there. It's panning, right? So okay, let me show you this bass. So this bass line, in terms of an instrument, this is an 808, but we use these ones mostly when making drill beats. But yeah, I like fusing things. So listen, I'm using the same 808s in ZimDancehall now. So most producers, they are using this plugin to make drill beats, and maybe drill beats to be specific. But I'm using these things even when I'm making GT, even when I'm making ZimDancehall. I love it. I like experimenting. I like fusing things. So I'm using an 808 here in ZimDancehall, and this is how I'm playing around with my 808. Yeah, massive, trust me. Okay. I think we can even give this one to some Jamaican superstars. They can murder this one, trust me. Look at your body. Watch me. So yeah, this is how you can make ZimDancehall. So what else do I need to show you guys? Okay, there's this sound. This one. You see it for yourself. It's karimba from Purity, Anta, Bells, and Perk. So yeah, I love it. Smells God's and this. Okay, there's this one. That's a brass. That's a brass from this brass is from Cog. Triton, I mean. This Triton is from Cog, right? So this panning, we are big to panning again. So this thing I do it manual, like after playing, then I record again. Then I'll be doing this. You see, while at least I'm playing, you see, here is my mouse. I'll be doing this, moving from one side to another. Then yeah, that's how I do it. Okay. Watch that panning mobile. You can see there. You see, I'm trying to leave an open space for my vocals at the center. That's why I'm trying to move my sounds, some of the sounds to the left and some of the sounds to the right. Of course, I'm leaving some of the sounds at the center, stuff like verses but still, after doing that, I'm going to side chain. Like I always side chain my bass and my kick, just to try and maintain my quality. I don't need my beats to be sounding like maybe they were made by someone who was drunk. Okay, so that's it. I'm just giving you some tips. If you want to ask me something, you can ask me. If you want to tell me something, you can tell me. Again, we also accept lessons from fellow producers. So if you feel like there's somewhere where I'm missing it, you can let me know, right? You can give me lessons whilst I'm giving you lessons. It's possible. Zirigo. Serum again. This is a plug, Dyke Pike. It's a plug from Serum. It's really nice. Okay, so let's go to our verses. I want to hear what I did to the verses. That beautiful sound is from Serum, I guess. That one, yeah. It's called a beat of luck. It's a lead from Serum. So if you don't have Serum, go get yourself Serum. Serum is really good when it comes to beats making. So I love Serum. I'm deeply in love with this plugin.